Hello friends, welcome to this podcast show. I am Jove, the host of this show. Are you looking for professional commercial window cleaning services in Manhattan? Prime Window Cleaning has been professionally cleaning the windows of buildings of all sizes for years. The experts are able to offer a variety of services in addition to professional commercial window cleaning. The team of experts will evaluate the size and type of building for each client to ensure that they are sending out the right equipment for your needs. Prime Window Cleaning knows that it is important to always keep our prices competitive. They can often provide the same or better services than our competitors for commercial window cleaning and more. Call now toll-free 800-496-0744. The experts will respond immediately to your needs. That is all for today. I will be right back with another topic. Till then, stay tuned.